Hello everyone, welcome to Get Set Learn. So here is the part 2 of child development in relation to learning. Now let's talk about topical areas in child development. As human development can be divided into various domains like physical domain, cognitive domain, social and emotional domain, moral domain, language domain and personal domain. So जो फर्स्ट डोमेन है वो है फिजिकल डोमेन. So this domain is related to the development of one physical aspect. It is associated with quantitative changes that occur in the body. This development is also called maturation. तो ये जो changes हैं ये बच्चे की बॉडी में आते हैं, उनके फिजिकल चेंजेस होते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल बॉडी ग्रोथ होना, लेग्स एंड आर्म्स की ग्रोथ होना, हैंड्स एंड फिंगर्स का बढ़ना, विजन इंक्रीज़ होना, टच का पता लगना, स्मेल से रिकॉग्नाइज करना किसी चीज़ को. सो दीज आर द फिजिकल डोमेन्स. फिजिकल डोमेन डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 डेवलपमेंट्स. फर्स्ट इज ग्रॉस मोटर डेवलपमेंट, नेक्स्ट फाइन मोटर डेवलपमेंट, नेक्स्ट सेंसरी मोटर डेवलपमेंट, नेक्स्ट सिफेलो कैजुअल डेवलपमेंट, नेक्स्ट प्रॉक्सिमो डिस्टल डेवलपमेंट. देन सेकेंड डोमेन इज़ कॉग्निटिव डोमेन. तो जो बच्चे को सोचने पे, किसी चीज़ के को पहचानने में हेल्प करती है, उसे कॉग्निटिव डोमेन कहा जाता है. दिस डोमेन इज़ रिलेटेड टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वंस इंटेलिजेंस. द एबिलिटी टू थिंक, reason and analyze is known as a cognition, and the development of these abilities is known as a cognitive development. Jean Piaget was a significant influence in this domain because of his theory of cognitive development. Then the third domain is social and emotional development. According to Herlock, social development means the acquisition of the ability to have in accordance with social exceptions. This domain is an indicator of social development among children. Children develop social skills like sharing, cooperation, patience in their interaction with peers and others. So basically ये जो social domain है ये बच्चे को socially prepare करता है, social skills सिखाता है ताकि वो जिस सोसाइटी में रहता है वहाँ easily adjust कर पाए. The emotional domain refer to the ability to control and manage one's emotions. Emotional development can also be understood as social development as it develops with reference to social life. तो ये जो emotional development है और जो social development है ये दोनों ही interrelated हैं. Then there is moral domain, which in this domain children develop moral ideas, character, right attitudes and behavior toward other people in society. Children cannot make moral judgment until they achieve a certain level of cognitive maturity. There are many factors which influence growth and development. For example, genetic, nutritional, environmental, early stimulation, child rearing practice. So it is all about child development. Now let's see what is learning. लर्निंग का मतलब होता है सीखना. बच्चा बचपन से ही सीखना शुरू कर देता है, जन्म से ही सीखना शुरू कर देता है और सीखता रहता है. चाहे वो किसी चीज़ को पकड़ना हो या बोलना हो, वो किसी भी तरीके से सीखना शुरू कर देता है अपने जन्म से ही. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्रो एंड क्रो, द लर्निंग इन्वॉल्व्स द एक्विजिशन ऑफ हैबिट्स, नॉलेज एंड एटीट्यूड्स. Learning is a gradual process where the individual will make many attempts to learn. Now let's talk about the relationship between learning and development. It is important to understand the relationship between development and learning. Some believe that learning leads to development, whereas others contend that development leads to learning. Both development and learning are interrelated to each other. जैसे जैसे बच्चा डेवलप होता रहता है वो कुछ ना कुछ सीखता रहता है और सीखते सीखते ही उसका विकास होता रहता है, उसकी डेवलपमेंट होती रहती है. लर्निंग अवेकन्स द डेवलपमेंटल प्रोसेस थ्रू सोशल इंटरेक्शन विद पीयर्स एंड टीचर्स इन सच अ वे दैट इट वुड नॉट अकर इफ़ द चाइल्ड वर इन आइसोलेशन. जब बच्चा कुछ नया सीखता है तो वो उसे कहीं ना कहीं अप्लाई ज़रूर करता है, जो कि उसकी प्रोग्रेस में भी हेल्प करता है. A safe environment is essential for development and learning. Children need to feel free to express themselves. It is the responsibility of the school, home and community to provide a safe and secure environment for children. This helps in learning and developing his mental and behavioral abilities to adjust or survive in his life. Early development is very crucial for further development and learning. The kind of experience a child goes through in the learning stages has a profound influence on his or her later life. Irrespective of whether the experience is good or bad, childhood happenings influence both learning and development. Next, these are some principles of development and learning. First, development and learning are dynamic process that reflect the complex interplay between a child's biological characteristics and the environment, each shaping the other as well as future patterns of growth. So ये जो डेवलपमेंट एंड लर्निंग है ये दोनों ही बच्चों को प्रिपेयर करते हैं फ्यूचर के लिए. As childs are active learners from birth, constantly taking in and organizing information to create meaning through their relationships, their interaction with their environment, and their overall experiences. Next, children's motivation to learn is increased when their learning environment fosters their sense of belonging, purpose, and agency. Now let's do some MCQs. First, which indicates the change in the quality and the character of a child? Answer: development. Next, learning depend on cognitive development? Answer: always. Next, toy age referred to? Answer: early childhood. Next, a child writes with his or her left hand and is comfortable doing things with it. He or she should be? Answer: allow his preference. Next, which of the following is not a sign of being gifted? Answer: poor relationship with peers. Next, language of a word is not necessary for? Answer: imaginative thinking. Next, the best place of social development for a 12-year-old child is? Answer: playground. Next, nature of children are like? Answer: imitative. Next, gifted students are? Answer: independent in their judgments. Next, the cardinal principle of learner-centered education are? Answer: both learning by doing and learning by living. Next, dash is the capacity to acquire and apply knowledge. Answer: intelligence. Next, adolescents may experience? Answer: feeling of self-actualization. Next, the raw material of thinking is? Answer: symbols. What is the unit of heredity? Answer: gene. Which of the following is an example of fine motor skill? Answer: writing. Next, which of the following is not a product of learning? Answer: maturation. Next, a group of students are found to be harassing another student. What should be your reaction? Answer: conceal the students. Next, smallest unit of meaning in a language is? Answer: morpheme. Next, intelligence testing is useful for knowing? Answer: all of these above, as individual differences, mental retardation, educational backwardness. The process of expansion of an individual's capacity quantitatively should be termed as? Answer: development. So, this is all about child development and its relation to learning. You can practice MCQs on the given link below in the description, and also check the previous video for the brief explanation of child development. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe the channel for more. Thank you.